I have another 100th day book that I'd like to read to you. It's a really small book, so it's got tiny pictures, and I'm going to read it to you while I show you the book, okay? It's called Hooray for the 100th Day. A small little book. Really small pictures. Now I can zoom in and show them to you better. It was a big day for Miss Fickle's class. It was the 100th day of school. Today we are 100 times smarter than before, Kono said. That must be why my head feels bigger, said Andrew. A lot smarter than we were before, huh? Miss Fickle's class was ready. They had 100 balloons. They had 100 new books. They even had 100 jelly beans. Miss Fickle dressed as someone new every day. Today, she was a jester with 100 bells on her hat and 100 jokes to share. What a pirate's favorite class, Miss Fickle asked. Arrgh, see? She's got 100 bells on her hat. Every kid had a 100th day project. Josh's project was a secret. I always get into trouble, Josh told the class pet, but not today. There's the class pet. Nibbles. Josh took out a long list. I've done 99 good deeds since the first day of school, he said. I need one more to make 100, because 99 plus 1 equals 100. What should my 100 good deeds be, Josh thought. He looked around and saw Colin. Colin wanted to dribble a basketball 100 times. Ooh, that's a good idea. 21, 22, 23, Colin counted. He had a lot of dribbles to go. Maybe Colin needed help. 21, 22, 23. He's got a lot more to do. He's gonna do 100 dribbles. Josh had an idea. He would cheer for Colin. That would help Colin get to 100 dribbles. Then I have my last good deed, Josh thought. Uh-oh. Go, Colin, Josh cheered. He cheered so loud, Colin dropped the ball. Josh! Colin groaned. Oh. Oops. Josh still needed one more good deed. He looked around and saw Kono. Kono wanted to make a necklace out of 100 paper clips. That's a good idea. I only have 99 paper clips, Kono said. Where will I find number 100? Kono needed a good deed. Josh checked his pocket for a paperclip. He pulled out a pencil and a rubber spider, Then he pulled out a magnet. Oops. Oh no, Kono cried. The magnet pulled the necklace apart. Josh, Kono groaned. Oh, he's trying to do a good deed, but he keeps making mistakes. Mistakes aren't bad, but poor thing. Josh still needed one more deed. He went to the science room to find Molly. Molly had made her own soap. She wanted to blow 100 bubbles. 30, 31, 32. Molly counted. Blowing 100 bubbles was hard work. Maybe Molly needed help. Maybe Molly needed a good deed. Oh no. Josh had an idea. He found a bubble blaster on a shelf. You need 100 bubbles? Josh said. Coming right up. Oh, look at all those bubbles. Josh turned on the bubble blaster. Soon there were 100 bubbles in the science room. Then there were 1,000 bubbles. all over the science room. Josh, Molly groaned. Josh still needed a good deed. He went to the art room to find Andrew. Andrew was building a bridge out of 100 toothpicks. Oh no, Andrew said. I lost count. Josh smiled. Andrew needed help counting. That could be Josh's good deed. Josh had an idea. He would count for Andrew. Achoo! But then Josh sneezed on Andrew's bridge. It fell apart. Josh, Andrew groaned. Josh still needed a good deed. He went to the library to find Julia. She was writing a story with 100 words. Uh-oh, Julia said. My pen ran out of ink. Josh smiled. Julia needed a new pen. Julia needed a good deed. Josh had an idea. I'll lend you a pen, Julia, Josh said. He held out a pen, but it was a trick pen. Oh, no. Josh's trick pen squirted water. It washed Julia's story away. Josh, Julia groaned. Josh was sad. All my good deeds turned into duds, he sighed. Suddenly, an apple rolled over. Josh picked it up. Miss Gutman walked over. She was the school lunch lady. Thanks, Josh, Miss Gutman said. Did I do a good deed? Josh asked. You sure did, Miss Gutman said. Josh had a new idea. He brought Miss Gutman to Miss Finkel's class. Miss Finkel told her 100 jokes. What day does Miss Gutman like to fry eggs? Miss Finkel said. Friday. Then the kids and Miss Gutman had a cake with 100 candles. Oh, just like one of our other stories. Josh was happy. He had finally done 100 good deeds. Happy 100th day of school, he said. Oh, I think that kid's pretty sweet even though he keeps making mistakes.